Greetings, everybody. I know it's been a while, and I've seen your guys' comments. I know you guys want updates. Um, I recently started a new job, and this for me is just completely a hobby. So, it's been kind of hard. I travel for my new work, so it's been really tough trying to take the time to work on these things, um, just because I'm not home. Honestly, at least every other week so far, I've been gone. And, yeah, that's why. I've been trying to work on these as I can, little by little, trying to get these things, figured out and working for you guys. And I want to set things up in my Etsy store. Um, I just want to do it right. I don't want to sell these to you guys before they're working properly. And then people get them and they break when they're, just doing what they're supposed to do. So these were the first two that I printed that have been successful, completely successful, which is awesome. I took them for a test drive and I wore them for an entire day to a convention as Ezio. And they worked. They were comfy. They did not get in the way. Um, that's why you see them attached the way they are. They worked. Yeah, there's, the little string, rope, whatever you want to call it. It's fishing line. That's what I'm using. Is on the pinky so that you can still do stuff. You can open the doors. You can shake hands. You can do whatever you want. If you pull all the way back, you'll get it out there. Now, just to show you guys, like I said, they're working 100%. There are different versions I want to make for you guys that I can put in the store, but just so you can see. There you go. And these are 3D printed, which is another situation I want to talk to you guys about. Just to show you. So, super smooth. They're small. They don't come off your arm. They're really nice and small and easy to conceal. Super cool. I also sold my old 3D printer. I just got a Delta printer literally today. I'm still setting it up, so bear with me, guys. But that's the hope, is that with this thing, I can start printing sets, kits, get them ready for you guys, put them in the Etsy store, so that when you get them, they're good to go. As soon as I get more updates, I'll let you guys know. It's just a short one for those of you guys that have been waiting and asking questions. As far as metal ones, guys, I'm still, there's a lot to weigh and decide as far as that stuff, because I don't want to be liable for anything. I don't want anybody to hurt themselves or anyone else. No offense to you guys, but we are all strangers, and I don't want anybody hurt by these things. These should be collectibles, and, we'll see. Maybe in the future. We will see. I'm not going to lie, it sounds badass. It sounds super, super cool just to have it. Not for malicious intent, but to have some cool little metal ones, yeah, that'd be awesome. I'm with you guys there. But let's see how it goes first. As we speak, they work just fine. The details came out the way I wanted them to. They are 3D printed blades, so this is not, don't stab boxes with these. That's not what they're for, but they're cool. Super cool.